sa kira na non da bali wai sa kana to korba turanga e Tokou. Ni Sakiusa ngon turanga na buno Tokou, Sakiusa ni linu buno bakasat turanga Tokou, senior government officials, ladies and gentlemen. Ni Sandra Minakasaka. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be here with you today to commission the Tokou Village Dispensary. I apologize that the commissioning of this project had some setbacks and delays. Scheduling and sudden arrangements that you had to make to prepare for this commissioning ceremony shows your resilience and good hearts, and I salute you for that. We are aware of the fact that this dispensary is set to assist more than 500 villages of Tokou and also the neighboring village. I thank the SDMO and the Ministry of Health officials for their support in this plight to empower and educate ordinary Fijians. I congratulate them and also for a job well done. The investment of close to 140,000 is set to reduce the need to travel to Lebuka for minor medical needs and treatment, and will also cater for the immediate needs of our school and the elderly. I will urge you to make full use of this government assistance that will now be handed over to you. Take ownership and responsibility. This is your dispensary. I know that the village will have to set up a health committee with the assistance of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services. Few villages may have also received training to serve Tokou as the village nurse, Nasinikor. In conclusion, I wish to once again remind you that the government of the day will continue to work for you all, especially for the ordinary Fijians in our villages in rural and maritime areas. I thank you for the opportunity to be here, and on this note, I will now officially open the Tokou Village Dispensary.